Welcome back to the garage. Tonight we're going to make a lamp. If you've been on here before, you've seen my other videos, you watched when we made a hockey stick, like a floor lamp. This one's going to be a table lamp. You can see right there, those pieces of wood there. Those are from bunk beds. We had to cut the tops down, the log bunk bed, like headboard. Anyway, those pieces of log we are going to turn into table lamps. So stick around, we'll show you how it's done. There are the pieces of wood. This one I've already put on the chop saw to make sure everything is straight, and then also put it on the belt sander just to make sure it's smooth. Still have to do that to this one. You can see how uneven that is, and it's a little high. So that's going to match that up. As far as parts go, this right here, we're going to cut this down. It's going to go through each one of these. We'll drill a long hole through. We'll have a base that we'll build that this will go through. Be secured on both ends with these nuts. Wire's going to go through this, and then these are going to go on the top. These ones have the shade ring because this particular shade has that hole right there that sits right on top of here. I think it's going to be a pretty quick, easy, and fun project. Both pieces are ready to go. The one on the right there, you can see I drilled a hole. Went all the way through with a size that's very close to the rod that's going to be going through. And then I also made a base, just a real quick one here, just to see how it's going to work, and I'll make a couple more. But it's just 1 by 6, 5.5 inches wide, so I cut it at 5.5 inches. Once I'm done with it, I just checked right here. You could see I put this is the same size as the rod, and then a little bit bigger here to put the nut on the end. And then I will, router out a section here so that the cord can run out the side. So this one here was just kind of a practice one, but now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut 2 more of these, one for each of those, and start putting it together. Here's the bottom of the base, bigger hole, and then the little hole is the same size as the rod that's going to go up through the lamp itself. This was just done with a table saw. Other ways that you can make that groove, but we just need something for the cord to go through. So I'm going to assemble this right now. You can see what we did there. We have the cord through that groove, goes up into the base, which then goes up through the lamp itself, through the log. There's that rod that goes through here, and it's secured with a nut on the bottom and a nut on the top, and then we have this put together, and you can see on the back there's the instructions. So when you buy that, it'll just kind of walk you through how to set that up. Everything is tightened, everything is secured, and now all we have to do is put the shade on. I have the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. It didn't take a lot of time, pretty inexpensive, and as always, just a fun little project. So until next time, take care.